Right, today. What are we doing today, Jack?
Riding on the motorbike.
Riding on the motorbikes, that is correct. So I've got my monkey bike out. When I go with Jack, I'll take my little bike so I can ride about with him. So, this is Jack's pw50. Well, it was. But the old piston was knackered, so instead of just changing the piston, I put a big bucket on it. So now it's a 16, it, Jack?
Yeah.
16, how old are you?
6.
66. Right, anyway. And this is a monkey bike. It's a 110 semi-automatic. And it's dangerous. You just put throttle on and it wheelies, doesn't it, boy?
Yeah.
Hey, the monkey bike's fast, isn't it? So, yeah. So, let's go for a little ride. We have reached our destination. Yes. So, like I said, it's a 60cc. It was a 50. Made a big board up to a 60cc. It still needs running in as it's only had one tank of petrol through it. And Jack, I got it a couple of years ago, Jack has only just been able to touch the floor. So this year we can go for a ride on our own. You'd started riding it on your own last year, didn't you? But this year he can touch the floor and that properly. So right, go on then, go around, boy. Good lad, nice and steady. Yeah, so like I say, it's first year he can really touch the floor on it. So he's doing alright. He's doing well. Proud of him. Wait, the rattling noise is it needs new headstock bearings. But like I say, as soon as he gets used to it, and obviously when it's running, so she'll be buzzing about. And especially with Noah. Well, Noah, he's a little bugger. It's my little son. Only one. He's got his first bike today. He can nearly ride it. Yeah, so we've got permission off the farmer. What a guy, thank you very much. He saved a lot of hassle. You know what coppers are like. So I said, yeah, bring your bike, bring your son, have a little go around field if you want. Spot on, thank you very much. So yeah, that's Jack's. And obviously this is, I done a video, well, ages ago. You want to give it a little rest now, mate? Yeah, I done a video on it. I bought it was a non-runner, so there's a video that I put on months and months and months ago of it, how we got it going and that. So the monkey bike, it's class. You want to see it go. The monkey bike. Monkey bike. Right, do you want a couple more goes around before we go?
Yeah.
So yeah.
I'm going to.
Well, we can have a few more goes around whenever you want to. Right, go on then, Jack. Woo. Let's see if I can do this. Go for a ride together with one hand. Right, go on then, Jack. Oh, I'm going to fall off here. I've got a fly in my eye, fly in my eye. Shit. Wait till he gets to the other side, I'm going to do him here. I'm going to do him. Shall we do him? Let's do him. I'm going to do him here. I'm going to do him. I'm gonna. Oh shit, I just fell off. We're taking it outside, inside, outside, inside. Oh, outside. Ah! Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Done him like a keeper. Hey! I won. I've just checked monkey bike and I forgot to put fresh oil in it, so it's on bare arse, mate, so we have to go and do that. So, have you had fun today, boy? Right, now time for... Oh shit, is that still in gear? There we go, we're going home. Oh, one-handed monkey bike riding's not very good. I better come a cropper. So yeah, this is just like a little video of what we're doing today. So, Jack's had fun, I've had fun. Oh, I'm going to fall off. So, thanks for watching.